Hi, I'm Sehi. I'm an experienced online Korean teacher and I've taught over 7,000 Korean lessons so far. In this channel, we are going to learn real-life Korean together, and today we are going to do a very fun challenge. If you're like me, a foodie, I'm sure you have already watched the Culinary class wall. I'm sure you remember Napoli Mafia won a challenge by impressing the judges. He just used the ingredients from the CU convenience store to make a chestnut tiramisu. Literally everyone's so surprised by his creativity to the extent that CU has released the dessert in the store. And as the dessert is just less than 5,000 won, no surprise, it just got sold out almost as soon as it's been released. So I just thought, why not just use the recipe and get all the ingredients from CU and made my own? I mean, I'm no Napoli Mafia, but I think this is a challenge that we can take on. Before we go to CU, we are going to take a look at the ingredients list. According to them, you need choco granola, choco granola, milk chocolate, milk chocolate, pear cube plain, that's just like cream cheese in a cube form, 우유 생크림빵, that's cream milk bread, 흰 우유, just plain milk, 맛밤, that's chestnut, our main ingredient, toppinut latte, toffee latte, and taije, that's the digestive biscuit. Alright, now we know what to get. Let's go! Guys, I'm back, and you won't believe me because half of the ingredients just sold out. I mean, come on. Like, everyone's just making chestnut tiramisu tonight. Anyways, I got substitutes for that, either by having other brands or maybe like from my own fridge. I do have those ingredients. And I did say the tiramisu was supposed to be less than 5,000 won, right? But I end up getting like this receipt of over 14,000 won. So yeah, if you could get hold of that tiramisu, that's a steal. Anyways, here's what I have. Milk, cream cheese. This one is peanut butter flavor, though they just say like plain milk flavor. I couldn't get that, so I also got this one. That's the toffee nut latte, 맛밤, chestnut, the digestive biscuits, as well as the chocolate here. Now we are going to follow the instructions on CU's website step by step. Step 1. 간식 밤 한 봉지를 우유와 끓인 후 블렌더로 갈아 밤 퓨레를 만든다. Alright, let's go. I'm ready. Let's make the puree. Let's get the milk in. And I'll also get the chestnut in. I don't know, shall I put it all? Okay, let's put it all. Wow, it smells really good. Now the milk's boiling. Let's blend it. It looks like this after blending, and I have tried just a bit. It tastes really good, like sweet milk and warm sweet milk. 만든 밤 퓨레를 크림치즈와 섞어 냉동실에서 30분간 보관해 차갑게 만든 후 생크림과 섞어 밤크림을 만든다. Then we're going to get these two. We're going to mix them with the chestnut puree. I'm not sure why I put this in a ramen bowl, but let's do this. We have some cream cheese here, so we mix it together. Excuse my very messy fridge, but yeah, put it inside 30분, 30 minutes. We'll wait for that. We are going to get the cream out of the bread. And then we're just going to mix it together. Next, we have these two. We are also going to mix them together as the base. We have 3 layers. 통밀 비스킷 4개와 터비넛 라떼를 섞어 촉촉한 베이스를 만들어주고 만든 크림과 함께 3층으로 쌓는다. Now it's time to put our digestive biscuits in. Because I do love them a lot, I'm going to put a lot of it. Maybe we just make like a lot of layers. Next, we have the toffee nut latte. Oh man, it looks so good already. And last, for the toppings, I use some chocolate as well as some granola. I do have them because I have them for breakfast, obviously. 그 위에 살짝 얼린 초콜릿을 덮일 정도로 갈아 올린다. 프라이팬에 볶은 그래놀라를 올려 크리스피하게 마무리한다. Now let's add some toppings. I don't know, like some raisins and some nuts as well. I'm cheating a bit. Let's cheat more by adding some granola. And that's the final look. Okay, I'm just going to try it for a bit. Wow. It's much better than I expect. It's really good. I'm not sure if it's a success or not because I haven't tasted the original one, but that's a lot of steps to cover to make this tiramisu. Nevertheless, it was a very fun challenge and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did and learned some Korean vocabularies along the way. Do like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video because it helps us a lot. If you cannot get enough of the show and would like to learn even more real-life Korean, do check out this video here.